So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. In this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue if your Windows 11 is stuck on restart after any update. Now in order to fix that, you can see that no key is working while you are on restart. Now in order to fix that, simply press the power key that is used to turn on or off your laptop. Basically simply press and hold that particular key for about 10 seconds. Once you press and hold it, you will see that your laptop will power off forcefully. If I press it and hold it for about 10 seconds, you will notice that you can see the Windows is turned off. Now again, in order to on it, simply press the key once again as normal as it can be, and your Windows will restart and it will now turn on normally as it used to be. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.